Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2024 Harley Davidson Lowrider S. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2024 Harley Davidson Lowrider S with 5,750 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, and a keyless ignition. It's been upgraded with 10-inch handlebars, an LED headlight, LED turn signals, an LED taillight, a plate bracket, an aftermarket exhaust heat wrap, Arlen-S grips, levers, highway bars, stunt bars, highway bar lights, rider floorboards, Screaming Eagle spark plug wires, a primary cover, a shifter peg, docking hardware, and an oil temperature gauge. Powered by a 117 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Lowrider puts 103 horsepower and 125 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5-gallon fuel capacity, the Lowrider has a 200 to 235 mile range. It has a 28-inch seat height and a 679-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Lowrider will need a quieter exhaust. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 5/30 seconds and the rear at 7/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. There are stains on the exhaust wrap. This bike has one key and one fob, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days and/or 1,000 miles, and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.